Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, how to hide your history and live from someone on Instagram. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go! Step 1, open Instagram. Click your profile account, click setting and activity, click hide story and live. Okay, I click hide history and live. Very easy. Hide your history and live videos from PayPal. Okay, click hide history. For example, my followers. Select my followers. Hide. Very good. Very easy. Now my history and live are hidden from this. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.